had a dream.
UWM helped me launch my career because the investment management certificate program gave me real-world experience that I would have never gotten elsewhere. We got to work on real money portfolios and learn an actual investment process before stepping foot into the workforce.
UWM has helped me prepare for my career as a physical therapist in many ways. The one that was most meaningful to me was gaining hands-on experience early on in the program, which helped me build confidence and feel more realistic when working with actual patients.
I really didn't know what I wanted to do when I was going into college. I knew I liked science. UWM sparked an interest in nursing for me, and it's really given me the opportunity to practice all these skills and know what my career is like before I graduate.
Well, the pre-pharmacy program has put me in a great position to start my career. Seeing what you're learning come into fruition and like, oh, I know this. Your pharmacist asking you like, well, what do you do in this situation? Just being able to use that experience in a professional manner is just a great feeling.
I feel it in my bones.
Starting university, I told myself that I wanted to find myself in rooms where I didn't belong, because that's where the most amount of learning happens. And in my freshman year, I decided to join student government as a senator for the School of Architecture. And now I'm president. I discovered a different version of myself, which is a very extroverted version of myself.
What I discovered about myself at UWM is I'm very passionate about social justice issues, and that I'm really passionate about my major in social work. The empathy and understanding that not everyone comes from the same background, and that we are here to help and do as much as we can to support you.
You can't stop this.
I had a great experience in the College of Engineering and Applied Science. Between being an engineer and being president of the men's club soccer team, I've really committed to kind of that hard work. It's definitely made me realize that I'm passionate about leading and passionate about soccer.
I would say a moment I'm most proud of in my college experience was being on the board of a newly started club, Feminized Tea. It was something that brought together women and allies in the tech space and just gave us a space to connect and network. Hopefully that is something that I can leave my mark on at UWM.
Something that I'm most proud of in my college experience is definitely the capstone project, being able to present my research of Valley Creek with my group to people that actually take it to the government and are going to do something with it to help the environment. That made me feel really good about the work I was doing, just because it's actually being applied in the real world.
I am a first-generation student, so with my parents' sacrifices and my dreams, I was able to find something that I'm passionate for. It gives me a lot of pride and joy being able to represent my people in science, and it also just proves itself that we deserve to be here.
After graduation, I am moving down to Tampa, Florida to work at a private investment fund.
Continue my degree into my MSW here at UWM.
After graduation, I plan to work at Renka while studying for my ARE exams.
I'll be starting a position with PT Solutions in mid-June, and I will start their orthopedic residency program in September.
So I did get an offer at Wisconsin Diagnostic Laboratories. I will be a scientist in the transfusion service department.